Hi, Shannon Ray Darty here, Operations Manager with New Heights Property Management. One of the things that you need to think about as an owner of investment property is there are a myriad of things that can go wrong at the property, meaning maintenance issues. For example, the HVAC system could go out, or raccoons could fall through the roof. That's not a joke. That has actually happened. At New Heights Property Management, we recommend to our owners of investment property that they set aside about 1% of their property's value for those maintenance emergencies. So for example, if your property is valued at $200,000, that would mean setting aside $2,000 for some sort of an emergency. So for example, if that HVAC system does go out, you have some funds allocated for replacement or hopefully just repairs. And that will keep your tenant happy the faster we can get those things taken care of. Another suggestion is preventative maintenance. Taking care of things like your HVAC or appliances within the home, having them serviced and looked at. That way vendors can let you know, is something going to be going out soon, or does it need an annual cleaning? Another suggestion for routine or preventative maintenance is to have the trees around your property trimmed on a regular basis. Now keep in mind, those larger trees are the responsibility of the property owner and not the tenant. So for example, during a storm, if tree limbs aren't cut back, those limbs can fly all over the property and potentially cause some damage. We also recommend keeping some sort of pest control contract. Now keep in mind, this would be for things like termites. Protecting your investment is so important. Cleaning gutters would also be something that we would recommend as routine maintenance. At New Heights Property Management, our property management team is more than happy to give you suggestions for things that may relate to your individual property. Absolutely reach out to us and let us know if you have any questions.